Meaning of inchoative.
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 Inchoative. The term inchoative refers to a grammatical aspect that indicates the beginning or initiation of an action. It is used to describe verbs that denote the start of a process or change in state, such as begin, start, and commence. Inchoative verbs focus on the early stages of an action rather than the completion or duration of that action. By using inchoative verbs, writers can convey a sense of immediacy or movement within their prose, allowing readers to better understand the progression of events. Ultimately, the inchoative aspect helps writers to create engaging and dynamic narratives.